Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you which fuses to check in case you are having problems with the climate controls, in case your air conditioner is not working or there is no air coming from the vents at all. There's a couple of fuses we're checking, or in case these controls here are not responding. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2024 all the way up to 2026 or newer. And also, if this video was helpful, please support the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the first fuse you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, just behind the battery, right here. To remove this cover, there's like a small black tab here. You want to press it and lift up and then gently pull the cover towards yourself. There's lots of things here on the way, so you don't want to damage anything. And the fuse you'll be checking here is fuse number 6, which is this 40 amp fuse located right here. And there is one more fuse we're checking in the interior fuse box. Now the second fuse is in the interior fuse box, which is in the passenger's cabin just next to the passenger's right foot, all the way down there. Now to access these fuses you have to remove a couple of things. First you have to remove this side cover here, then you want to pop out this long piece that's on the side, and then you want to pop out this this larger piece here, and you will access the fuse box, and then you have to remove the cover from the fuse box and you will be able to access the fuses. And here, okay, I'll try to zoom in a bit. We'll be checking this fuse number 12. It's a 5 amp fuse located all the way here. This is the fuse you want to check. Okay, now in case both of these fuses are good, then the next step is to scan the module, scan the PCM, and see if there are any codes stored and follow up on the codes. Checking the fuses is something you can do by yourself, but then if fuses are good, you might have to take the vehicle to a shop. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.